Our next step is working with the pencil tool under Part 1, Drawing Lines and Shapes. The pencil tool is used for freehand drawing. Simply drag the point of the tool to draw. You may find it helpful to adjust the smoothness setting of the pencil tool by double-clicking on the pencil tool icon in the tool panel. When the pencil tool options panel opens, adjust the smoothness slider to about 50%. This setting helps smooth out jittery lines. Adjust the smoothness option of the pencil tool and draw each of the following: 2 random lines and 2 freeform shapes. We need to first access the pencil tool. So over here in our tool panel, it will be located with a group of tools that includes the shaper tool. Each one of these that has a little triangle in the bottom right corner signifies that there are multiple tools in this tool panel. So I'm going to left click and hold. It'll pull up this window, and I'm going to select my pencil tool. Now I could have used the shortcut key N for it, so I'll show you that here in just a second. I'm going to press V for my selection tool, and then my shortcut key for the pencil tool is N. I will press that, and it'll take me right to the pencil tool. Now to change the smoothness, you want to double click on the pencil tool in your tool panel. It'll pull up a new window where we can change how accurate the line is. If we bring it down to completely accurate, if you draw a line and it's quite jittery, you will keep all of those irregularities. If you're at 50%, it'll help smooth most of them out. And then if you turn it all the way to smooth, it'll smooth it out to the best of its ability. Now, if you're looking for some irregular lines and some little faults in it, you need to be more on the accurate side. But if you want to smooth out some of those irregularities and issues with the mouse, set it at 50%, which it is. We're going to click OK. And then you're going to make your 2 lines by left click and dragging. Here I'm doing a light curve, and then I'm going to do roughly a straight line. You see all the jitters in there? They'll get smoothed out once I let go of my left click, and I have a fairly straight line. If I wanted to draw a straight line, I would use the line segment tool, and you'll see in the future if I wanted to do simple curves, I can use a pen tool. But the pencil tool is nice to deal with tracing, to deal with making random lines, and also free-form shapes that have some difference in irregularities. So there's a shape there. I'll try to do a little bean shape, and there's a shape there. So that is it for our pencil tool for part 1, drawing lines and shapes.